So to remove your block without tearing it, use your finger if you need to just kind of pick up your paper, and then just very carefully run that palette knife all the way down. And you see how it just picked it up? That's all it takes. Don't try to rip it off with your fingers. Don't try to cut it off with an X-Acto blade. And the glue, as you push this down, and I'm not left-handed, so I don't want to use my left-handed or my left hand because I'm not very coordinated with that hand, but as I'm pushing it down, I'm not pushing that hard. I'm just trying to break that adhesive, and I'm just going to continue going all the way around. Even when I get to my last side, I'm not going to pick it up and pull it. I'm going to actually continue to use my palette knife. And there it is. That's all it takes to remove a sheet of paper from a block. Just the right tool, guys. That's all you really need.